If you drive a fully autonomous Tesla today, which once in a while I take out my kids' cars and I drive them, it's scary. I was with my wife sitting next to me yesterday, and I said, do you understand that the skills that you need to drive in 5 years from now is not driving? It's basically the reflexes to jump in to take over, right? That's a reflex we don't have. And I can guarantee you, every time I drive my Tesla in autonomous mode, that's a reflex I don't have. I challenge you to go drive your car, take your hands off the steering wheel, put it on cruise control, look somewhere else for 5 minutes and measure how long it takes for you to get your attention back and react. That's a skill we don't have. Now, what I'm going to say to you, look at these discrete points in time and paint this forward, right? 5 years from now, would you be surprised if there are sensors on every road? Would you be surprised if there are sensors on every car that, you can attach or buy, or, new cars come with it, detects each other. And you can see sensors measure traffic, volume, redirect, Google Maps. It'll all come together. It'll come together with AI. Now, that world we can't see today, but maybe you can. But if someone told me in 1991, cars will drive them, I'm like, yeah, sure. Pigs will fly too, But it is that evolution that we miss. Watch mechanical, digital, evolution of LiDAR technology, detection, image recognition. And you then know at some point it's just enough learning. Most people are allowed to drive when they are 16 or 18, which means the human being only has a maximum of 18 years of learned behavior before you can learn it. Now, a company like Waymo or Tesla get 18 years of driving data, 100% processed every 10 seconds. Now think about the acceleration of how this is going to evolve. And so sometimes you have to take a step back. Now, then you begin to see what being AI native means.